Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. And it's an interesting one today. All of the ones on the left and some of the other ones are A something. I wonder if the link is going to be that there's a word that can come before a few of those. We've got a barbershop quartet, an a cappella group, a doo-wop group. What on earth is the fourth type of band? Madrigal? I thought that was a poem, so let's come back to that. Essays, a novel, those are all kind of works, and madrigal might be works as well, but I'm really not certain. A kiss from a rose. Make a deal, make love, make certain, and make a few, make some, make a life. These are all plausible. What a weird set of words we've got. I really don't know. Okay, we'll try something different. Some, various, a few, and enough, maybe? Yeah, okay, this one has to be a group, because I really can't see anything else that could be part of it. It's one away! Oh no! A few, various, and some. I mean, it's got to be enough that's wrong, hasn't it? But what on earth else could go in this group? Oh, I've got absolutely no idea. I'm very confused by this whole puzzle. It's got to be make a deal, make love, make certain. It's got to be these three. And it's got to be these three. And it's got to be these three. I've got 3 threes. What haven't I used? Part 1, a rose, a life. I mean, essays and a novel. But there easily could be works by a certain person. Something essays, something a novel, something a life, something part 1. They're all sort of parts of a whole, really, aren't they? I've got no idea if that's the connection. And I've got no idea what the fourth ones are going to be in the 2 groups I've identified already. It would help if I knew for sure what madrigal was, because there's a small chance that it goes in the doo-wop a cappella group. Maybe I should just try it. Oh, it does. Okay, they are all vocal music. Fine. At least we've got one group. What are we going to do next, then? Make a few. No, because a few is going to go with various and some. Make a life? We could have a novel, part 1, and essays. They're all sort of a part of something. Make some. Make enough. Make a rose. What is a rose going to be, though? That's the thing. If there's a group that can be followed by make, if there's a group that's a synonym for various, and if there's a group that's the works of something or someone, then that's where I'm really confused about where a rose comes in. Maybe make a rose is an American phrase I've never heard of. It's not. I didn't think it would be. Kiss from a rose. Okay, let's try these. But it's... Oh, it could be these or it could be a life. Or it could be enough. Make enough, is that a phrase? That's also one away. Oh dear, this is so frustrating because I feel like if I get one group, I might get the last two. Make a life. Let's try this. It is plausible. It's wrong! I think that is a phrase. A few certain, some and various. Book subtitles, a life, a novel, essays, part one. Yeah, I thought there was something like that. I was just trying to be too specific. It was just generic book subtitles. I mean, that's a weird group because anything could be a book subtitle. A handful of certain. I probably should have put certain in that group at some point. That was my biggest mistake, I think. I just never really considered that, did I? And then a deal is a deal, a rose is a rose, enough is enough, and love is love. I still like my group better. Make a deal, make love. Oh, I kept putting certain in that group, didn't I? That's why I never put certain in the other group. Oh, that was tricky. Let me know if you did better than me. You probably didn't do worse, although at least I got one group. Not a complete disaster. It was a tough one, I think. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.